Hi, this is Shubhra Chatterjee. Welcome to my math news channel on YouTube, where I post videos exploring the use of mathematics in art. In this video, I will explore the use of linear perspective in the iconic painting by Leonardo da Vinci, The Last Supper, and discuss how math and theology come together in the creation of a fascinating mural painting from the Renaissance period. Linear perspective was discovered by the Italian artist Filippo Brunelleschi in 1420, which enabled artists to accurately capture depth on a two-dimensional surface. Till this time, artists did not know of a way to capture depth on a two-dimensional surface like a canvas or a wall. Characters in the painting were painted big or small based on their importance. This often resulted in flat-looking pictures that did not look real. This is Giotto's famous fresco, Lamentation or the Mourning of Christ, painted around 1305, which illustrates this lack of perspective or depth. Linear perspective tries to recreate the way humans perceive depth. If we look at this picture, the parallel rail lines seem to meet in the distance, and the distance between the equally spaced rafters becomes smaller as the distance from the viewer increases. Linear perspective applies these observations to help create the illusion of depth in two dimensions. All parallel lines in a painting meet at the vanishing point of the painting. Objects in the painting become smaller and smaller as they approach the vanishing point. In 1482, the Italian artist Pietro Perugino painted this fresco called Delivery of the Keys in the Sistine chapel, making brilliant use of linear perspective. The lines on the floor leading away from the viewer converge at the doorway of the central building, which is the vanishing point in this painting. The spacing between the lines parallel to the viewer reduces gradually, and so does the size of the characters in the painting, creating a very real and lifelike painting. Let us now look at how Leonardo da Vinci has made the use of linear perspective in his painting, The Last Supper. The Last Supper is a mural painted by Leonardo da Vinci between 1495 and 98, which is housed in the refectory of the convent of Santa Maria del Grazi in Milan, Italy. Leonardo's use of linear perspective to accurately render depth in The Last Supper is illustrated by this drawing. If we draw lines along the ceiling, along the walls, along the top of the panels on the walls, and along the side of the table, they all meet in one point on Jesus' face, which is the vanishing point in this painting. The painting includes other geometrical elements as well. It is a balanced composition anchored by an equilateral triangle formed by Christ's body. He sits below an arching pediment which, if extended, traces a circle, possibly suggesting a halo. The theological aspects of this painting include the table that seems to form a barrier between the spiritual realm of Jesus and the apostles from the viewer's earthly world. The verdant landscape beyond the windows could be interpreted as paradise that can only be reached through Jesus, who is placed at the center and the vanishing point of the picture. If you want to learn more about this topic, or in general just explore the use of mathematics in different arts, please read my math art blog on Medium.